Upgrading to Impact Doors is one of the smartest decisions Kendall homeowners can make. With hurricane season, strong storms, and high humidity being part of life in South Florida, Impact Doors provide critical protection, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced security. If you're planning to install Impact Doors, knowing what to expect during the process can help you feel confident and prepared. Here's a step-by-step look at how professional impact door installation typically works in Kendall. Step 1. In-home consultation and measurements. The process begins with a consultation. A professional will evaluate your existing door opening, discuss your needs, and help you choose the right style and features. During this stage, you'll review door material options, fiberglass, steel, etc., impact-rated glass choices, frame finishes and hardware, hurricane compliance requirements. Precise measurements are taken to ensure the new impact door fits perfectly. Because impact doors must meet strict building codes in Kendall, accuracy is critical. Step 2. Ordering and permit preparation. Impact doors in Kendall must comply with local and state hurricane standards. After finalizing your selection, the installer typically handles permit applications and ensures the door meets all code requirements. This step may take some time depending on manufacturing and permitting timelines. While you wait, your installer will coordinate scheduling and prepare for the installation day. Step 3. Removal of the existing door. On installation day, the team begins by carefully removing your old door and frame. They take precautions to protect surrounding walls, flooring, and trim. Removing the old unit allows installers to inspect the opening for any structural damage, moisture issues, or framing adjustments that may need attention before installing the new impact door. If minor repairs are needed, they are typically addressed before moving forward. Step 4. Preparing the opening. Proper preparation is essential for impact doors. The opening must be level, square, and structurally sound. Installers will reinforce framing if needed, apply waterproof flashing materials, ensure proper anchoring points. This step is especially important in Kendall, where heavy rain and high winds demand secure, weathertight installation. Step 5. Installing the impact door. Once the opening is ready, the new impact door is positioned and anchored securely. Impact doors are heavier than standard doors due to reinforced materials and laminated glass, so professional handling is crucial. The team carefully aligns the door to ensure smooth operation and a tight seal. Specialized fasteners are used to meet hurricane resistance requirements. After securing the door, installers test its functionality, checking that it opens, closes, and locks properly. Step 6. Sealing and finishing. After installation, high-quality sealants are applied around the frame to prevent air and water infiltration. Weather stripping and thresholds are adjusted to create a tight barrier. Trim and finishing touches are completed to ensure a clean, polished appearance that complements your Kendall home. Step 7. Final inspection and cleanup. A professional installation team will perform a final inspection to ensure everything meets code and performance standards. They will explain how to operate and maintain your new impact door. Cleanup is typically included, leaving your entryway neat and ready to enjoy. What homeowners gain? Impact door installation provides several immediate benefits: protection against storm debris, enhanced security, improved energy efficiency, reduced outside noise, increased property value. In Kendall's climate, impact doors offer both peace of mind and everyday comfort. A smooth process with lasting results. While the idea of replacing your door may feel like a major project, professional impact door installation is a well-organized process. With proper planning, expert handling, and attention to detail, your new door will be built to withstand Kendall's weather conditions for years to come. By understanding what to expect, you can approach your impact door installation with confidence, knowing your home is becoming safer, stronger, and more energy efficient.